kids, hope you're all well. So we're back again for another vid, and today we are going to look at the Adidas Brussels. As you can see, I've double dropped on these, so a huge thanks to Kay for sitting in on a Friday night while I was out having a few beers. She sat in and sorted a pair for me. So that's why I've got two pairs. Fantastic. Thanks again, Kay. You're a legend. Okay, so this is obviously City Series. Now it is going to be a bit of a year for the City Series, as you can see by the special label on the box there. So it will be a big year for that. So watch your bank balances, kids. Okay. Let's crack these open and take a look inside. Well, this has been really pretty much hyped, almost sold out everywhere, I would say now. You get a really nice art card. I think this is going to be a new thing for this year, 2019. I would say it's a step up from the art cards we've had from the Archive series previously. Really nice drawing on there rather than the usual photograph. So you've got an info section on the back. Really nice. Let's pop the shoes out of the box. Let's get the main event underway. Here you go. Now first of all, you do get, let's have a look here. Always nice to see you get a lace swap in the box. So you get your orange laces, which will contrast to the black and go with the stripe and heel tab detailing. You've also got a leather dye sample. So let's just have a look at this shoe in particular. Really nice gold lettering on the side, nice quality, nice detail. Heel tab, yeah, you've got your trifoil contrast orange heel tab, obviously the Brussels colourway. Now if you look at the quality of the suede, as always really, it's pretty good. As you can see, the rub test there. Let me try and get close up on this for you. So it's a good quality. We'll do a toe to tongue on these. Okay. You've got your dimpled tongue here. Really nice. Big favourite of mine, that. Now I have tried a pair of these on, and there are a bit of worries, or a few worries about sizings going around. I am not sensitive to sizings. I can wear anything from a 9 through 10 UK. At the end of the day, I'm not doing sport in these, I'm not running in them or football, etc. I'll be going down the pub or you know, to the match or whatever. So to me, a couple of mil here or there doesn't matter. They do run ever so slightly big in the toe box area, I would say. So probably if you can size half down, go for it. Okay, but I mean, to be honest, for me, it's not a big deal. A mil or two. You do have some nice detailing on the insole here. City Series. Again, giving you a hint, there'll be more on the way. So that's it really, guys. a really nice release, I'm going to say. Really pleased with these. I think they're a really nice shoe. Right, I'm going to pop these on feet now, on foot, as I like to do. So thanks as always for watching. Take care of yourselves. I will see you next time. Cheers.